Welcome guys, let me show you the best way to trade any type of market and make consistent profits. Now what you need is two indicators, moving average and CCI indicator. Moving average and CCI indicator, that is commodity channel index indicator. Now these are the two indicators you need to trade any market at all. Now let me show you how to use these two indicators and make consistent profit on any market at all, on any pay at all. To understand both forex and the volatility index, you can apply this particular strategy and make consistent profits. Now this is how the strategy works. Before I go deep, let me show you the setup first. Let me show you the settings first. Now here, this is moving average. This is what the settings for moving average. Here what the settings for moving average. Period is 100, shift is 0, smoothing, that is the method. Apply to close. You understand? So this all about moving average. Once you are done setting up the moving average, you hit done. You understand? So now the second indicator is CCI indicator, that is the commodity channel index indicator. Now here are the settings. Here are what the settings for CCI indicator. Period is 14. The period is 14. Apply to typical price. Typical what? Typical price. Now the level. Here is the what? The level. The level for CCI minus 120 and plus 120. Do you understand? So once you are done setting up the commodity channel index indicator, you hit done. Do you understand? So let's go back to the chart and I will show you how to apply this and make consistent profit. Do you understand? How to make use of this strategy and make consistent profits. Now this is how the strategy works. First of all, in markets, in forex trading, is all about flowing the trend. Do you understand? All about feeding off from what the whales. The whales are the one determining the direction of the market. So we follow the whales. We follow the direction of the market to make our profit as retail traders. Do you understand? That is the concept of forex trading. Now let me show you how to apply this strategy. Now first of all, you need to identify the direction of the market. You need to identify the direction of the market. You need to understand which direction is the market. Where is the market flowing? Where is the market going? Once you understand, once you are able to understand the direction of the market, now this second thing, the second point is to do what? Where should be your entry? Where should I enter? Where should I make my entry? Do you understand? So first thing, identify the direction of the market. Second thing is to know where to enter the market so that you can make profit. Now, so for here now, we make use of a moving average to identify or to understand the direction of the market. You understand? So once the candlesticks are above moving average, that is what? Uptrend. Now, when they are below moving average, that is what? Downtrend. So once we establish the facts that the market is uptrend, that is we should be looking at where to make our entry, that is buy entry when the market is above moving average. Where we should focus is where to make our buy entry. So that is where the function of CCI come into play. CCI enable us to identify the right point to make our entry. Do you understand? So in this case, we should be focusing on where to make our buy entries. Do you understand? So in the side of CCI, that is commodity channel index, there are two lines of it, 120 plus 120 and minus 120. This is plus 120 and the down one is what? Minus 120. So when we are considering about buying, where to buy, now from here, provided the market is above moving average, which is a bullish trend, now our entry should be from below minus 120 from the side of CCI indicator. Look at it. Look at this is the first one here. This is the first one here. Look at this. So here are what our possible entries. Do you understand? Here are what our possible entries. So if we make our entry here, let's see how it goes. If you make our entry from this point here, if we make our entry from this point here, that is to say our entry should be, our buy entry should be here, somewhere here. Do you understand? Somewhere here. So once we make our entry here, this is what excess profits. Do you understand? This is what excess profits. Now somebody might ask, where should be our stop loss? Where should be our stop loss? Now our stop loss should be, making use of this strategy, our stop loss should be just at the moving average. Our stop loss should be just at the what? The moving average. Do you understand? Now if we make our entry here, assuming we make our entry from this point here, look at it. If we make our entry here, our stop loss should be at the moving average here. So the whole of this is our profit. Are you seeing it? If we put our stop loss here, the whole of this is what? Our profit. Do you understand? So let's move on. This is another entry opportunity here. This is our what? Entry opportunity here. If we make our entry here, make our buy entry here. So the whole of this is a what? Our profit. Are you seeing it? The whole of this is what? Our profit. As easy as that. Do you understand? So that is it for bullish. Now here we are on bearish. The market is below moving average. So the side we will be looking to make our sell entry should be above 120 from the side of CCI indicator. Look at this. This is our first entry here. Make your entry here. You understand? Make your what? Entry here, and this is what? Profit. Are you seeing it? So that is it. From here, this is another entry here. This is another entry here. If we make our sell entry from this point, this is a huge profit. Do you understand? So here is another, all these points are entries, entry opportunities. Look at this. Here is what? Entry opportunity. Look at it. So stop loss should be at the moving average, just at the moving average. Do you understand? So this is what? A huge profit. Do you understand? Here is another opportunity. Here is another opportunity to sell. You see, all these are profitable entries. Do you understand? So this is how to make use of this particular strategy, CCI indicator, and make massive profit. Do you understand? So you can apply this on any market at all, any pair at all, and make consistent profits using moving average and the commodity channel index indicator. Do you understand? Don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are being shared free of charge. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Do you understand? Thank you.